Resourceful Marcus, back with another video. This is just going to be an unboxing of Hygger Aquarium Magnet Cleaner. Alright, so I got this for my 125 gal. This come a few days ago. I'm going to unbox it now. Let's see what we got here. Open her up. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is the cleaner here. And this is for cleaning the glass. It's magnetic. That part goes on the outside, and this part goes on the inside of the, whoa, wow, wow, those magnets are strong, as you can see, woo, strong. And then it comes with, up here. I didn't bring a pair of scissors with me. Usually like to do that. Be resourceful. Get her open. A little bit child-proof, as they say. A little bit. So these are the different blades they give you. They give you a stainless steel blade. It must be to extend it on an angle. That clips on there. When I make a video when I actually use this, then I'll get into that more. I will do a video of me using this on my aquarium. So that's the stainless blade they give you for a glass aquarium, and then they give you a plastic one if you got an acrylic aquarium. Yeah, this is to clean the glass. Again, you can see that magnet is strong. Man, that is strong. Strong magnet. Alright, so I will make a video when I'm going to use this on my aquarium. Again, this one is made by Hygger Aquarium Magnet Cleaner. This one's for aquariums up to, I think they said 200 gallon. This is I believe this one's extra large one, and then there's a large and a medium and a smaller one you can buy. Alright everyone, thanks for coming back and watching. That was just an unboxing of Hygger Aquarium Magnet Cleaner. Resourceful Marcus, I will see you again soon.